Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to send a Snapchat voice message. They've changed the way that you do this. A lot of people didn't know how to do it in the first place. They definitely don't know how to do it after the update, so I'm going to show you exactly how to. So the first thing we want to do is swipe over to our list of Snapchats, and then we can tap on someone that we want to send a message to. This is another account that I have, so I've just been messing around with this. But you'll see that the microphone button is sort of gone, and it's been moved to a button within the chat field. So this field right here that we're in, there is now a microphone button on that field. Now if you tap on this button, it'll give you a little tooltip that says press and hold to record and send audio. So that's what we need to do, but there's a couple of catches, a couple tips and tricks when you're doing this. So you can down and hold to record, and it's going to give us the little audio feed, the audio waves, the spinning circle, all of that. And you can also move your finger anywhere on the screen. It's going to sort of follow your finger around, so you don't have to keep your finger in one spot. And just note that as soon as you let go of your finger, it's going to automatically send this audio to the person. If you want to cancel this, you need to slide your finger over to the left, over to this X right here, and then to trash it. So you can hold down and talk. If you want to send your message, just release anywhere. And that's going to send the message. Do that again. Holding down, talking, release, that message is sent. Holding down, if I mess up and I decide that I don't want to send this, I can move this over to the X here. It's going to give us a little trash can. Then I just let go. And then once the person receives this audio message, it'll look like this, these little circles, and they can tap on those and listen to them as they want. After they tap on them, they'll go away unless they save them. And there you have it, a quick overview of how to use the Snapchat audio message feature. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Also, feel free to check out the Snapchat playlist linked below. There's hundreds of Snapchat tutorials in there for you to learn how to use Snapchat. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.